Hello, welcome back to your channel, Cars Guns and Fan. So we have a red dot riflet sight, Barska, and then also we have the Olight PL Mini 2. So I'm going to be putting these two accessories on this Ruger PC9. I used to have one before, but it broke, so I just got this new one. I saw good reviews on this one, and this is all stainless steel, good material, and for the price I think it's a good bargain, because I didn't want to spend too much money on that. And also this one, the Olight PL Mini 2, it's a good one too. I mean, I saw also really good reviews on the internet, on the website. Charger. So let's do it. Just going to do the safety check. Clear. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it this way. So we have this light. Just make sure that it's open. So I'm going to put this one here. We can probably snap it there. Then adjust to the distance that I want to have. Then, okay, secure it. Okay, so it's there. That's nice. 600 lumens. Okay, so now let's do the riflet sight. So let me make sure that it's open. Then just turn on the dot. Maybe you can spot the dot right there. Okay. So I'm going to put this on the front. Okay, secure it there. Then I'm going to click it. Okay. Okay, so it's there. I think looks nice. Okay. You can see the dot right there. Okay, so I will take it to the range pretty soon. We'll have some fun, we'll post a video, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Ruger PC9. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more. I also have some other guns that I will be showing you pretty soon. Just got a new 44 Magnum revolver engraved, so stay tuned for that one too. Thank you.